Welcome back. Today I thought that I would share some holiday clips, Christmas clips with you guys, and share what we got for Christmas. So, if you're interested in that, please continue to watch. Now also, keep in mind that I am 31, I have a 4-year-old child, and I have been married almost 14 years, so we do not get a ton of gifts, as an adult. So this is not a lot of stuff. I just thought that I would share it with you. Also, I did get a few gift cards, typically because, my dad doesn't know what to do for me and my sisters, and gift cards are always nice. And I did get a purse from my mom, but it's not come in yet, so I don't have that to show either. I do know that it is a pink handbag, so I'm excited for that. First things is, besides the gift cards and the purse, I got this beautiful love ornament. How beautiful is that? And it's like a metal. I also got some Jovan Island Gardenia perfume. I love this. Love it. A Bath & Body Works Magic in the Air Ultra Shea Butter Body Cream. Love their body creams. And from Good Housekeeping, I got a peppermint swirl hand soap and a vanilla frost hand soap, and these smell amazing. They smell so good. And I also got this headband. I'm in love with it. I've been wanting one of these, and I hadn't seen any. I guess I wasn't looking hard enough. John's dad and his girlfriend got me this, and also this cashmere boggin. So nice. And these beautiful gray gloves. Now, who doesn't need this stuff at this time of year anyways, but it's very, very nice. I love the boggin, and I love the headband. And I am happy with all my gifts. Now, also, I'll be uploading a video too called Rue 21 Christmas Gift Haul, and that is gifts from my nanny. She also got me a gift card, and she also got me that too. And the Rue 21 stuff, and there's some Kmart stuff in that video as well. So that combines with this, and that is my Christmas gifts. This is what I got. And if anybody was wondering what John got, since we were doing a gift haul, he got pajama bottoms. He got these wolf pajama bottoms, a plaid pair of pajamas, and he got a nice pair of gloves, and he got a cologne, and which I don't know, I did not bring in here to show you any of that, except I had the pants in here. He got gift cards as well. So I realized after bagging all this back up to put in my makeup chair, I did not film an outro. So I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, had a wonderful time with your families. We had a good year this year, and hope you guys did too. God bless. I hope you have a wonderful new year as well. I thank you guys for always watching, supporting my channel, and there is some fun upcoming things coming to my channel, so I can't wait to share them with you guys. And stay tuned to the rest of the video for clips of Connor's Christmas. What did you get for Christmas?
I got this and this.
What is this?
Batman.
Batman what?
Batman's tower.
It's a Arkham Asylum.
Yeah.
Look, what's in this bucket right here? What'd you get in this Roblox?
No, my goodness speech.
And you got this cool pirate ship right here. What's that called, buddy?
But then
A Ben 10. What is that? Roblox.
it's a Roblox. Squishies.
That heat wave?
Yeah. I can launch it. Mango Batman. Walmart special. Purple Anderson.
Oh my.
The burger Walmart's.
It's fashion famous. Like the game you play.
The burger. Joker. The ring. Looky doopy skeleton. Oh! Hey! Hey! What you?